The SpaceX Dragon spacecraft, carrying 4 private astronauts, successfully completed its Ax-2 mission as it made a smooth splashdown in the Atlantic Ocean. The mission, which lasted several days, marked another significant achievement for commercial spaceflight. During their time in orbit aboard the Dragon capsule, the crew members conducted various scientific experiments and research, contributing valuable data to ongoing space studies. They also had the opportunity to experience the wonders of weightlessness and witness breathtaking views of Earth from space. The safe return of the Ax-2 crew showcases the increasing capabilities of commercial space companies like SpaceX in enabling human space exploration. This achievement not only strengthens confidence in the reliability and safety of commercial space travel, but also opens doors to a new era of space tourism and private missions. The Ax-2 mission holds great significance in advancing the commercialization of space. It demonstrates the potential for private individuals and organizations to engage in space exploration and supports the vision of creating a sustainable space economy. As the commercial space industry continues to grow, more opportunities for scientific research, technological advancements, and international collaborations are expected to emerge. The successful splashdown of the Ax-2 mission highlights the progress made by SpaceX in developing reliable crewed spacecraft and reusability of launch vehicles. It sets the stage for future missions, including upcoming endeavors to the International Space Station, ISS, and beyond. Overall, the Ax-2 mission represents a remarkable step forward in the commercialization of space, fostering innovation and inspiring a new generation of space enthusiasts. With each successful mission, the boundaries of human space exploration continue to expand, bringing us closer to a future where space travel becomes increasingly accessible and impactful.